Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're doing this a little bit early so I can get you guys caught up to let you guys know what I'm looking at, especially within the next 4 hours and on the daily candle close. So we're going to start off with Bitcoin. We're going to start off, we can look at the daily. The daily right now is looking really, really good, guys, for more upside. Let's see if we can continue and stay above. I would like to see us close above, let's say pretty much where we are right now, right around 6,800. If we don't, we could look for a little bounce, and we'll go over that real quick as well. So if we do come down and get a bounce, we could be looking for a bounce anywhere in my purple box here around 6,850 or 6,350 area. What I would really like to see hold up is this area here. Well, first 60,000 would be my red line. We want to see 60,000 hold. And then 59,500 to 58,900 area. Okay. Which we did get a bounce here on my purple box here. So let's see if that holds up, guys. And if we do break up, I would like to see us get above this 62, 800, 900 area. If we get a 4-hour candle closing above there, or even if we get the daily, because we still got a couple hours left, then yeah, we could go for this 63, 700 or 800 area, and then the all-time high. And of course, we break that, then I'll go over that in a second here. But yeah, so to the downside, we want to see these levels hold. We do not want to drop all the way back down to 56. That would be disastrous. I mean, our last line of defense would be 58,500. If that doesn't hold, then yeah, we'd be looking at 57 to 56 area. So I don't think that's going to happen, guys. So I'm expecting a bounce or maybe more continuation here. It's looking good so far on the daily, but we still do got about 2 hours till the daily candle closes. So anything can happen. Let's see here. But yeah, on the 4-hour, guys, we could, like I said, see a bounce within my 6,800 to 6,300 area. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. So this is a chart I just did, guys. I made it blank. And what I did was I drew up a fib where we actually hit these fibs perfect. 62, 850 area. Looks like it topped out for now. And then we got 63, 855 level next. And then if we break that, guys, I think we will get past the all-time high. And if we do break that, then I would be looking at 69,800 area to 72,350. Those would be the points where I would look for some kind of rejection, a big pullback from there, guys. The reason I'm saying that because we're very, very over leveraged, and this run is very. I mean, guys, it started all the way back here. Like I said, there's a lot of longs going into this. So the institutions at some point are going to want to wreck you guys. Um, I'm sure, and a lot of shorts are going to be looking to short this at some point. So there's going to be a lot of factors going on, but it's up 113 percent, in the last couple months here. So and it's gonna, if it goes higher, which I think it will, at some point there'll probably be a pullback down to this area, or even I'm looking around right around this area as well, this 60,000 mark, or 59,500 even. If we do see a pullback, which is a huge pullback, which a lot of people would get scared at that point. But from here, I'm looking at more upside. Could there be a pullback? Yeah, but I told you guys what to look forward, to if we do get any kind of pullbacks, where to look for a bounce, where to hold support. So we already covered that. So yeah, so this is what we're looking at, guys. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. So let's move on to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, I am looking for a bounce, which we actually, this is on the 4-hour. It actually looks like we did get a bounce here off of 37, 20 area, which I'd like to see that hold up. If not, let's see. I had a 37.10. If not 37.10, I do have that on my chart. But yeah, I would like to see 37.20. I'm going to race this 37.10. I mean, that could be it, but 37.20, I'd like to see us hold this and keep going up to the upside. If not, we could fall back into my purple box here where we got a bounce here and a bounce here off of about 36.75 and 36.50 area. Those would be the areas I'd look for to hold. I don't want to see that break down. Let's look at the daily, guys. See, we're looking at the daily. Now, the daily's not looking as good as Bitcoin, that's for sure. Okay. We did hit our fib up here. But we also did hit our fib down here, which we got the bounce. Now, I would like to see us close above 37.50. That would look nice, or even a little bit higher, even 37.71. But if we don't, guys, so far we are getting the bounce off of my first line here, and we also are getting my bounce off my 4-hour chart. So let's see if this turns green, guys, within the next 2 hours. Then yeah, I would look for this as a candle where we could actually see a nice bounce from here and up to the upside. So that's what I'd be looking at for Ethereum. And to the upside, guys, we've been struggling at 39, so I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above there first and foremost, and then getting a 4-hour candle closing above 39.60. That would be my next goal. Okay, so that's what I would look for to the upside, and we just talked about the downside. So that's for ETH. Do we have anything interesting here? Maybe a pattern. Let's look. Let's get rid of this because these already kind of broke out. Might not look like it, but we did on the hour charts because those were short. I like to put in some short-term trades for you guys every once in a while. This is actually one of my old charts. Let's see here. I think this is actually the last one I did. And guys, sorry about not doing a video yesterday. It was my buddy's birthday, and I ended up going out, and I was out all night, so we had a good time. Let's see here. What do we got on the 4-hour? So that's why I didn't make a video. All right. So let's see how this trend breaks. Let's see when this trend breaks. If this trend breaks, then yeah, we could really get to the upside. So keep an eye on that, guys, on Ethereum. Let's see, Matic. We're trading in this range. Like I said, I would like to see the 144 hold up, which it did. We had a wick. We got a bounce based on this right here. You could see this nice little resistance here. We got a wick, was resistance, now support, which we got that wick and it bounced. But we didn't get the candle closing underneath the 144, guys. I don't want to see a 4-hour candle closing under there. It could wick it, but I don't want to see a 4-hour candle closing under there. I would like to see this area, purple box, remain intact. It could wick it all day as long as we don't see any 4-hour candles closing. Basically above 141 and 144, that would be a red flag for me on Matic. Let's go and to the upside, guys. We keep hitting my purple box and getting rejected. We keep hitting this. We actually had this trade right here, like this. But yeah. But anyways, we broke out of that trend. We hit the purple box again. So you guys, it looked like you guys, took my advice there and got out of that. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But we did hit the purple box. Good selling point. So what I would like to see us is get a 4-hour candle closing above 160 first. And then maybe we can shoot up to this 166 area or 167 area. Okay. So that's why I want to look for the upside. To the downside, like I said, I want to see this hold up. If not, then 135 would be on deck. Let's see. Is there anything on the 1 hour we can see? Yeah, there's a little pattern here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Is this lock not on? What's going on here? All right, here we go. We got anything here? Do we got anything here? Let's look. Let's see what we got. No, I don't like any of that. Let's do this. Let's do this instead. Come on. keep clicking these things now. It's annoying. I want to see this trend hold. I mean, if it doesn't, like I said, it's not the end of the world. Not really seeing much here. I mean, maybe like a little trend here, but it's nothing like strong. Um, I mean, we already broke out of this trend, and you know how that went. We called this move back here. That was our 50% move. Um, but yeah, let's see if we do this little trend holds. If not, then let's look and see if our levels hold up. Okay, so that's Matic. How much time do we have left? Okay, we're only 10 minutes in. All right, so we got Cardano next, guys. Cardano, we got our bounce off my purple box. I had it anywhere. Well, I told you guys from 210 to 209, and we got the bounce off 209. Then we got another bounce off 210, which this is a nice bounce area, guys. If this continues green, if this candle can close above this previous red candle right here on the 4-hour chart, then yeah, and we can get a 4-hour candle closing above this 214.50 area or 215 area, then yes, I would look for more continuation to the upside. Now, we do have a nice little trend here. Looks like, why is this just, come on. Okay, so let's draw this up here from here. So we do have a nice little channel here. So let's see what happens, guys. This could go test it one more time down here in the purple box and then break to the upside. But this is looking good so far. But there's still 2 hours left, so let's see how that works out. To the upside, if we do break out, I would like to see us get above this area here, the 217, 218. And then I want to really see us test this 225 area again. Okay, that's important. I want to see us test this 225 area. To the downside, I want to see this 209 hold up, and then yeah, and then I mean, it gets ugly from there. I don't think that's going to happen today. So yeah, so just basically, I want to see the 209 hold up. All right, for Solano yesterday, guys, we actually have something going on here. We can draw up a double click. We got this little trend here. Let's see if that breaks on the 4-hour. But Solano, if you look here, I know it sucks with these fibs, but if you look here, we had the fib at the 05 fib at 155. Okay, that was our exact low, was 155. So we got it perfect. So I would like to see the 155 hold up. We did wick down here and retest the trend, which was good. We wanted to see that, but we didn't get the bounce that we're looking for yet, because you could see we're breaking out of this big trend right here. And usually we see more than this, but this has been weak so far. It kind of reminds me of a Cardano where, these had such great runs during the alt season, and now Bitcoin's running, and these are kind of trading sideways right now. So you just got to be patient. You got to be patient with these. I don't want to see us close back under here, but I would like to see us hold this 156. And actually, we can draw this purple box here. So 156 to 155 area. I like to see that hold up first and foremost. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's hold this purple box, guys. If not, then our next fib would be right around this area at 150. Okay. And then let me change that to white. 150. And then all the way down here at 146. Okay. So that would look pretty ugly. So let's see if this holds. Like I said, let's see if we can break out of this trend. If we do, we could reach the top side of this target around 167, which we had on our fib right here at 167. So I was at the 127. So I mean the 1272. So let's see if that hits again. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Solana. We can even draw a line there if you guys want. Right on our fib. So that was a perfect. The fib that we did the other day actually worked out perfect. Except nothing. Oh God, this lock thing is horrible. All right, so there we go. And the fib worked out here for the bounce. But so far, let's see if we get the bounce here, guys. We could get the bounce here. Let's see if this 4-hour reverses on us. All right, that's what I want to see. I want to see this 4-hour reverse. I also want to see it reverse on Ethereum. We still got 2 hours. Guys, they can bring this up really quick in the next 2 hours. So keep that in mind. How much time do I have left? Okay, I got some time here left. So we just covered Solana. Now let's do SHIB. Guys, let's go. Let's go, guys. Not only did we hit my purple box here for a great buy opportunity, but we bounced off of here perfectly. I mean, guys, I took this trade. This was an easy trade. Once we wicked down here, I took this trade, and then we got the bounce, and then we just straight broke out of this trend, and it was just an awesome breakout. I would look for a bounce maybe around 28.19. If we don't get that, then I want to see us break this purple box anywhere from 29.50 to 3,000, and then our last line of defense would be the 3,040. If we can get above that, then we can really start getting up there. But let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see if we can break these highs. To the downside, I would like to see the 26.91 and the 26.66 level hold up. Actually, we're going to bring that down a little bit. We're going to do 26.37. We're going to so 26.91 and 26.37. Let's see. Let's draw this little triangle here. Let's draw this little box. So I want to see that hold up. If that doesn't hold, then 25 would be on deck. Okay. So looking for a bounce at 28.19 area or even 28.08. So anywhere from there, or 28.10 maybe. Yeah, 28.10 to 28.19. Let's see if we can see a bounce there. If not, then I would look for more continuation on SHIB. SHIB is looking great. We got this move perfect. We were waiting for the breakout, guys. My buy zone hit it twice. I mean, guys, I'm drawing the map out for you. All you guys got to do is execute. All you got to do is watch my video. All you got to do is sub, hit the bell, hit the all so you don't miss any of my videos. You can't say, dang it, I missed it. That's all you got to do, guys. I'm going to put my link to Twitter and Webull. You guys can sign up to Webull. Someone asked me for I think it was a Binance link. I don't have a Binance link. I apologize. I could set you up with a Coinbase link, or you can trade. You can trade depending on what you're trying to trade, but you can trade on. Let's see. You can use my Webull link depending on what you want to buy, and get some free shares and get a little discount there. And they got some stocks on there you could get on SHIB and certain things like that, depending on what you want to trade. But I'll leave the links to those in the description down at the bottom with my Twitter. And I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Listen, much love. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Let's see what happens here. Bitcoin's looking good. It's kind of hurting the alts a little bit right now, but let's see if that turns around. This can all turn around with the alts. Let's see if we get the bounces where we want them. And so far, so good. Listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys, and peace out.